Okay, welcome back to Broken Travel. We are at Potrero Grill again, because it's, well, really convenient for my work. This is their cheeseburger and brioche bun combo. Your choice of cheese includes provolone, Swiss, cheddar, and American. And no one in the right mind gets American. I'm sorry, but that's not real cheese. The pickle is especially good. Genuine dill. Wish you go with that. Well, let's try this burger and give you a rating. You know, for a basic burger, that is really, really good. Very juicy and flavorful. I give this overall not bad for the money either. About 18 bucks. Overall, I give this a 7.5 out of 10. Easily a 7.5 out of 10. Yeah. Alright, see you on the air. Working the air out.